All of that in just a moment. Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday. It is September 15th, and it just feels right this morning. I'm Tara Joyce.
And I'm Lisa Salvatorini. That is so nice of you to say, Tara. I did miss you while I was away.
Liar.
I did. I mean, you're such a big part of my morning every single day. You know, we were texting back and forth every other day.
I was like, what are you doing? What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing
What's
now?
going on? Well, I was doing a lot of e-learning, getting ready for school,
Yeah.
and that's what I know a lot of kiddos are doing at 7 a.m. So the weather plays a big part of it. So let's bring in meteorologist Matt Hamber to talk about the forecast ahead and whether the kids need a hoodie, an umbrella. What's going on this morning, Matt?
Yeah, no umbrella, certainly sweatshirt type weather though this morning with temperatures starting off mostly in the 40s, a few spots in the 30s. Let's talk about it, everybody, as we take a look at our satellite and radar picture. Not popping up now, but it'll pop up a little bit later this morning. You'll be able to see a little bit of that haze popping up on our radar. If you step outside right now over the next little while, you'll be able to see that smoky, hazy looking sky. And believe it or not, yes, that is from the wildfires out west. So initially, the past couple of days were going to be mostly sunny, but it'll be filtered sunshine for the next few days, all thanks to that haze in the sky, thanks to those wildfires out west. So we are dry, and we don't really have much to worry about, but you might step outside and look up and think, what the heck is that going on up there? And that's just a little bit of that smoky sky from out west. And our air quality will remain pretty good, even despite a little bit of that smokiness way up above. Temperatures, though, like I talked about, a little bit chilly outside right now. 36 in Middletown right now, and around 41 in Yorktown Heights, 45 in Stony Point to 47 in both Nyack and White Plains, right at 52 in Pelham. So as we go throughout the day, we only hit the upper 60s today. It's cool. It's really comfortable, but we have that filtered sunshine around with winds at around 5 to 15 miles per hour. As we go throughout the next few days, more good news than bad. We'll talk about that when we check that 7-day forecast again in just a few minutes.
And we are unfortunately rolling through the alphabet here, getting ready to enter the Greek alphabet, as Matt mentioned. And we knew it was going to be an active season, to say the least, Matt. But, I mean, we are really churning through this fast.
Yeah, and we're about to head to the Greek alphabet with still a few months left in hurricane season. So we might even go past where we went in 2005. And we were several names into the Greek alphabet then. And that was the first time in history that it's ever happened on record. So this will likely be the second time. Let's talk about what's going on. I do want to also start off, though, as we know, we start off our day today with a little bit of a hazy sky. Let's talk about just briefly, though, the tropics, since that was what we were really just talking about here. I want to show you how far Paulette is away from the lower Hudson Valley, about 700 miles right now or so, a little bit less than that off to our east. And thankfully, yeah, this storm is pulling away from the U.S. mainland, so no impacts there. Of course, we are watching Sally, though, impacting the Gulf today, making landfall sometime today along the Gulf states, and that will still bring them a lot of rain and wind over the next few days. Now, back off towards the east more, just off of Africa, we are watching two other named storms to mention here as well. The one that you see in the center of the screen here is Teddy, forecast to become a major hurricane by Thursday afternoon. Could actually impact Bermuda early next week. And then here is a smaller, much more weaker storm, which is Vicky. After that, we just need Wilfred, and then we head towards the Greek alphabet. Crazy, right? As we take a look at our weather, though, here across the lower Hudson Valley. You might step outside and look up at the sky and see a little bit of a smoky look. That is from the wildfires out west, crazy enough as well. As we go throughout our day, though, it's overall going to be a nice dry day. You need the sweatshirt this morning, though. It's chilly, mid-40s in most spots, low 50s south of 287 for our warmest spots, and around the 36-degree mark for one of our coldest spots, only a few degrees above freezing in Middletown still. So through our morning, we are getting into the 50s. It's a really cool morning, and in fact, the entire day will feel quite cool here in the lower Hudson Valley. Middle and upper 60s through the afternoon. That's where we top out. Normal average high around 76, so it's a cooler than average day with just that filtered sunshine through our Tuesday. So highs in the upper 60s to near 70. Filtered sunshine today, a comfortable feeling day, though. Our Robeson algae report here reflective of that ragweed, which is low. Same with the weeds and grass pollen. So by tonight, upper 40s and lower to middle 50s under mostly clear skies. Here's a quick check of our 7-day. Tomorrow, another day of filtered sunshine, 75, mostly cloudy Thursday, chance for a few early showers on Friday, then dry into the weekend, even into early next week, holding on to a lot of sunshine on Monday with highs the entire weekend in the upper 60s.